Let's convert 340 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how we do it. So we need to use a conversion factor. And the conversion factor we're going to use is 1 atmosphere. That equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we're going to multiply our 340 millimeters of mercury by our conversion factor. So we want millimeters of mercury here to cancel out. So we're going to put 760 millimeters of mercury on the bottom so they cancel out. And then we want to end up with atmospheres. So we'll put our 1 atmosphere up on the top, and this is our conversion factor. So now when we multiply millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom, they cancel out, we're left with atmospheres. That's what we're looking for. So 340 divided by 760, that equals 0.44736. Let's just round it to 0.447, and that's atmospheres because that's all that's left up here. We know we did it right because the units work out. This is Dr. B, converting 340 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.